Hey Rock Solid Fitness family, this is Mike B here. I've got Mel working with me today. We're going to be demonstrating the slow-mo protocol. We're going to be putting a lot of emphasis on the very first rep. So we've got a 30-second concentric action going on. So what Mel's trying to do is bring that weight up in about 30 full seconds. Now when she gets to her normal range of motion, she's going to pause for that normal 1 second like we do on leg extension, and then slowly turn it back around. And the eccentric action is going to be another 30 seconds. So this first full rep, believe it or not, lasts about 60-61 seconds. Mel, nice job with the pause and on the turnaround. And I've got my watch going. Usually I'll give you milestones as you go through it, Mel. So you're already through your first 10 seconds. 20 more to go. Ideally, once Mel hits the bottom on that first full rep, she's going to try as many normal repetitions at the normal 2-4 cadence after that that she can get. So usually for lower body, that's going to mean for her 3 to 5 total that we're going to be shooting for, Mel. So once you get to the bottom here, I want you to try that. That completes your first one, Mel, and then when you get that, try to go back up into a few more here. So just normal speed now. Now you're going to work through the top all the way in about a 2-second cadence. Pause for 1, and then down for the normal 4 count here to finish it out. Mel's going to work through that to fatigue. That's her goal. That's it, Mel. Good pace. Gentle touch of the weights here at the bottom, and then start that third final rep right here. I want you to finish strong. Nice. Give it a good hold. Gentle coming back, bringing it down slow. 4 seconds on the way down. About another 3, 2, 1. And if it's slower, that's fine. Excellent. Way to return it home now.